Hello, friends, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Our topic in this video is about how to delete Microsoft account. To delete Microsoft account first, open Microsoft Edge. And here click on account icon. And then here click on profile settings. Here click on manage account. Then here click on your info. And then scroll down. Here click on close account. And then scroll down. And here click on close account. Type here an alternate email address to get code. And click on next. Enter code here. And click on next. Here click on not now. Then here scroll down. And select here 30 days. And click on next. Then here mark them all. Scroll down. Scroll down. And click on select a reason. So here I select I'm combining Microsoft account. And click on mark account for closure. And then here click on done. So your Microsoft account has been deleted. Thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, share the video and subscribe to the channel. And press the bell icon to get notifications of upcoming videos. Thank you.